Tired of digital clutter slowing you down? Then you're in the right place, because in the next minute and a half, I'm going to show you how to create Notion templates that will transform your digital life, boost your productivity, and even let you share your genius organizational systems with the world. First, start with a new page in Notion. This is where your template magic will happen. Give your page a clear and descriptive title. Think of it as the template's name that others will see. Next, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the page. Scroll down and find the template button option and click it. A window will appear that lets you customize your template button. Give your button a name. This will be which users click to add the template. Choose an icon that visually represents the purpose of your template to make it more appealing. This is where the real magic happens. In the content section, build out the actual structure of your template. This could be a to-do list, a project tracker, a meeting notes database. The possibilities are endless. Once you're happy with your template, it's time to share it. Click the Share button at the top right. Make sure Share to Web is toggled on. Then, toggle on the template option. This allows others to duplicate your creation into their own Notion workspaces without altering your original template. Copy the generated link and you are done. Now, you've got a sleek, efficient Notion template ready to streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. Start creating and sharing them now.